Today I'm gonna talk about a trick where we can promote CPA offers through Facebook. No, we are not talking about Facebook marketing or Facebook ads because we already know, uh, these those things are required money. So this is a beginner friendly video. So we're gonna talk about a trick where we can use a simple skills of copywriting basically, and we can promote any offers, not just a CPA offers but clickbank products and JVZoo products. So anything through Facebook post, by making a Facebook post. So but there is a simple way to do that. Okay, you cannot just post a random post in Facebook expect people to buy from you. You have to find a simple way, you have to find a very specific way where you can use your copywriting skill. You can find a simple way where you can use your copywriting skill in order to have sales. Now the offer we are promoting right now, we don't need people to buy something from us. We have CPA offers like this. Okay, so we have CP offers like this, and if we promote these offers, basically these are email submit offer. It is written here, this is for US, and this is email zip submit offer. If people put their email in the email box and click on submit button, we will get $2.22 for each and every single email submit. So this is a beautiful way to make money if you know how to do it correctly. So today I'm going to tell you about that. So pick any offer that you like. So you can pick any offer that you like. You can pick this, and you will have this link, and the tracking link. You can choose your domain name. You can have fosterfiles.net, opladownloads.net.com, gogetfile.co. So I'm gonna choose fosterfile, and I'm gonna copy the link. Now this link is the promotion link. Okay, so if you promote this link, that's how people gonna put their email and you're gonna make money. So this is a very important link. So how we can send this link to people? Remember, we don't want to spam people. Okay, nobody likes spam. Okay, so don't spam people. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna make a post about it. Choose a theme for that. Just choose a theme for that. And in order to have just make a simple post. Okay, and where we're gonna comment down your email. So as you post this post in that group, and remember to follow every guideline of that group. You don't want to get banned from these groups. Okay, so when you make a post like this and you post in a group, after some time people would start commenting in your post, and as they comment in your post, you can have two things. If you talk about emails, you can do email marketing and promote your product through sending emails. Okay, and if you don't want to do email marketing, which I recommend you should do it because it's a best way to promote any offers like CP offers, clickbank offers, doesn't matter, is the best way. Email marketing is the best way to do it. But if you don't want to do it, you can sell your products through Messenger. Okay, Facebook Messenger. So what you can do, you can come in Google Docs, and I'm gonna tell you the reason why I choose Google Docs. So you can have, like, I created bunch of gift card products. So this is the gift card product I had 3 gift cards. I promoted this document through email marketing to the people, and I made money with that. So this is Google Docs. And the reason why you should use Google Docs, because Google Docs is a very authentic way if you want to do email marketing or if you want to send through Facebook Messenger. Okay, Google has some authenticity. Facebook will not look you as spam, or the email marketing service that you are using will not see you as a spam. So as you made this post, okay, so you just have to send and promote this page through email marketing or Facebook. You can send through Facebook Messenger, like you just message people like this. Okay, so as you go to Messenger, I send bunch of people here. I send bunch of looks. So as you promote these kind of offers through Facebook, and people already want it, and that's why they commented in your post, so most likely 90% chances they will do the action you want. If you want them to buy, they will buy something. If you want them to submit email, they will do it. And the reason is because they commented in your post, so you are not spamming some random people. So these people who convinced to give you their email or give you your info, their info to you, and that's why you're doing it. So this is a legit way, so you're not doing anything spammy. Okay, so that's how you do it. And if you like this video helps you some way in doing marketing and CPA marketing and anything like that, any promotion stuff, just click the like button, share this video with your friends, the people who are in a CPA marketing business and they want to get started as a beginner. Share this video with them, comment down your thoughts, comment down the queries you have, and see you next time. Thank you.